Someone's got a new fish. So let's make a new aquarium. Add some seaweed. And a lot of water. Now welcome to your new home. Oh, what's going on here? Ah, I see. We're painting with a balloon. And making dandelion shapes. Oh, your doll's gonna love this.
Wow!
Next up, we're gonna need some tights. Fill it up with stuffing. Also, get stuffing. Tie it up, and your doll's got a brand new bed. Let's tuck her in for a good night's sleep. Ooh, a candy toilet! This is a candy toilet, right? Well, if you really need a bathroom, I'm sure we can whip something up. Make it nice and soft and add some laundry gel. Whoops, almost forgot the most important part. And its name is toilet paper.
Oops!
Just need to roll up a few squares. Cut them up for a bunch of rolls. These are going on the rack. Time for a walk. Oh, forgot the stairs. Let's start with an old paper stand. Make some slices and add some steps. Look, it fits right in the holes. Now for some color. And glitter. Why don't you step right up? That's enough walking for now. We could clean up all this goop, but it's more fun to scoop it up and make it into dino shapes. Now that we've got them in shape, some glue will help them keep it. Let's add a little something on top. For your new mini table. Fancy tea set sold separately.
Wow!
Oh, ice cream! Make sure to save the container. We can add some earring studs on the side. Add a white cover, and it's a bathtub. One complete with a chain and drain. Now for the faucet. And some water. And if you really want to feel fancy, why not add some rose petals? Come on, keep it coming. Ooh, a paper clip. And with a few twists, it's a new hanger. And when it comes to hangers, you need something for them to hang off of. Not to mention something to hang. Good thing we've got all these clothes around. Dreams do come true. We've got a horse. Let's customize. Why, when we're through, it'll be a horse of a different color. Or should I say, colors. The whole rainbow. With a few add-ons, it's a rocking unicorn. So let's get rocking and rolling. Careful where you step. Oh, your poor socks.
Ew.
Well, we can make some new footwear. Add some clay and make some slices. Now for some nice faux fur trimmings. Remember, if the shoe fits, wear it. Ooh, it's a brand new television! But first, an ice tray full of animals. Add glue to make some cubes. Give it time to dry, and it's our brand new TV stand and a real icebreaker. Next up, take an old wire and bend it into shape. You can make a pretty profile. Add some little lights around it. And you can really light up a room. Ooh, careful, that chair's missing a leg. Some old shoes can fill up the space. And why stop there? Cover it in shoes. It's a great excuse to go shoe shopping. Oh, they don't make shelves like they used to. Here's what to do. Get an empty shampoo bottle. Cut off one of the sides. And cover the rest with tissue paper. Some sturdy pieces of nail file will be just the shelves we need. Now cover them up with knickknacks. After all, that's what shelves are for. What a cute little washing machine. And look, a sponge. Let's cut it up. Cover it up with some soft material. And add some legs on the bottom. Now let's add something around the rim. It's a tiny seat for your tiny friends. It's always good to stay hydrated. And if you save your bottle caps, maybe add some toothpicks or sticks. Dip it in some paint. And you've got a new stool. Let's make a whole bunch. Wow, what pretty crystal earrings. If you have a bunch, lie them down and roll them up. Now pour some glitter on top. And hang up your new chandelier. Is that an old Valentine? Let's cover it up with pom-poms. And make it a new footrest. Wow, this place is really coming together. Well, no time like the present for the grand tour. All new stuff, and it's all homemade. And that was just one floor. Sure, maybe the bathroom could use a few walls. But this shows that with a little imagination and hard work, any place can become your very own dream house. Ooh, Just look at those aquariums. It's a gold mermaid. You sure you want to put your hand in there? It looks like someone could use a tail. And we've got a volunteer to help us. Now that we've got a mold, step right in. We'll fill it up. And look, it's rainbow colored. Now for some starfish to decorate your top. She's ready to hit the waves. Don't worry, Goldie. We haven't forgotten about you. This'll fix up your hair with some sparkly jewels. Now her mane's just as shiny as her tail. Let's fix her hair up too. Ketchup? Going for that classic red look, I see. Now we need to comb it in. Wow, she looks great and smells delicious. Anyone else in the mood for French fries? Time for a mermaid manicure. These nails can reach for the stars. It's okay, Red. Nails are just like hair. Nothing extensions can't fix. Draw some on with hot glue. And cut them down to size. It's a process. Wow, rainbow nails. Very on brand. Is everything okay? Told you not to mix crab cakes and eel pie. Golden toilet to the rescue. Yeah, you walk that red carpet. Hey, can you lend me some TP? We don't want a line, so let's make another toilet. Wrap some gum around the bottleneck. Add a tank and a seashell. It's for mermaids after all. Come on, Red, let's take it for a spin. Ugh, is that fin rot? No, worse, a pimple. Here's something that can help. A fake diamond. Give it a close shave, and we've got sequins. Try it on. It's a girl's best friend after all. Ooh, Red's really living up to her name. Save those coffee grinds. It's facial time. You know, it kind of looks like caviar. Grab a sea sponge and wipe it off. Oh, got any fake diamonds left? Always nice to relax after a day of pampering. Maybe someone could use a little pampering too. This candy could help. Sweet and practical. But let's not waste those hairs. Oh, great stash. Always fun to play with a squishy friend. Or 5. Squishy things are just better. Like bananas. You know, with just the right adjustments. This banana can be your new dolphin. The perfect playmate for a mermaid. Always there when you need a lift. Look at all those pretty jewels. You can't top a crown. It tops you. Only thing left is to dip her in liquid gold. Let's make some jewels for Red. This ring makes for a great tiara. And these shells will add the right touch. Also great for making unicorns. Ooh, we need to clean that tail. It's okay. Let's move you to a tub. And get rid of these bottom feeders. The crab can stay for lunch. Now add pearls. I don't think there's room for two. A dish makes a great tiny tub, and this earring's a great faucet. Don't forget, we want hot and cold. Who needs pearls when you've got slime? And your tail is looking brand new. Wow, these shells are really useful. You know, we've got bigger shells. How about we clean one off? And add some clear glue. Of course, we can't forget glitter. All the best clams have pearls. Now sit on your brand new throne. Viral videos are always fun to watch. But sometimes we can make our own fun. Run a long piece of paper through a plastic case. Grab the popcorn, the show's about to start. No matter how you watch, you just can't beat cat videos.